Let's cut across to breaking news that's coming in. The ED is all set to issue fresh summons to NCP leader Praful Patel in the Iqbal Mirchi case. He was summoned twice earlier, did not appear, following which fresh summons will be sent to him again for the third time. Praful Patel had been questioned in the Iqbal Mirchi case. Back in 2019, he was questioned once. He had allegedly bought properties from Mirchi in which the building CJ House was constructed in Worli. The ED had also attached some offices belonging to Mirchi and his family members in CJ House. This has been a case that's been plaguing Praful Patel for the last many years, and we understand again now the Enforcement Directorate is looking into his role. Taking this across to Divyesh Singh for more details. So Divyesh, fresh summons to be issued to Praful Patel. He hasn't cooperated in the recent times. Two summons that he's chosen to ignore. Any reason that Praful Patel gave on why he's not been cooperating so far?
Akshita, we just learned from our sources from Enforcement Directorate that fresh summons are to be issued to Praful Patel because he did not earlier appear before the agency on two summons that had been issued to him in the Iqbal Mirchi case. Recently, the Enforcement Directorate filed a detailed supplementary charge sheet in the Iqbal Mirchi case. Earlier in 2019, the first charge sheet was submitted, and before that, Praful Patel, whose name had come up during investigation of this particular case, Enforcement Directorate had also questioned him once regarding this case. There was a property in Worli on which the CJ House has been constructed, a part of which belonged to Iqbal Mirchi, and that is why a particular floor in the said commercial building, which is located in the plush Worli locality of Mumbai, was given to the Mirchi family, which has been rented out to some corporates and some other people by Iqbal Mirchi family. That has been attached by the Enforcement Directorate. Now, the second part of investigation, Enforcement Directorate has again summoned Praful Patel, but he's failed to appear. So fresh summons are being issued to Praful Patel, though there's been no communication from Praful Patel on why he'd chosen to ignore the earlier two issued summons by Enforcement Directorate. But third summons now will be issued to Praful Patel by the Enforcement Directorate, and he'll have to appear before the Enforcement Directorate very soon.
All right, Divyesh, thank you for that update.